So today's song is a really popular George Ezra song called Shotgun. It's got a really simple right hand part, but there's also a couple of notes on the left hand you can put into as well to make it more interesting. So it's a really nice simple one, this one, just a short 6-note pattern. If you start with your right hand on the D, you've got D, E, F, G, A. That's the only notes you're going to need. And it starts on the G on your forefinger, and it's going to go G, A, G. Drop down to your thumb on the D, and up to the middle finger on the F twice. And that's it. If I do it a little bit faster, G, A, G, down to D, and then 2 Fs. And that's it. It just does that 3 times. So the whole thing would be... And that's it. As it's so nice and simple, I thought we'd pop the left hand in with it as well. And basically, you're just going to do notes on every time the word shotgun comes. So the first time it's going to be the F on your thumb. The second one's going to be on your B flat, the little finger, and then D in the middle, and then a C. Okay, so it'd be 2 Fs, 2 B flats, 2 Ds, and then a C. And if you want to put all that together, you get... And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, you can hit the like and subscribe buttons, or you can scroll down to the bottom and leave me a comment as to what else you'd like to learn to play. I'm going to take a little break now for a week or so, and I'll be back again with a new one just after Easter. Have fun!